Welcome to Livermore Ford Lincoln, the Bay Area's premier Ford dealer. And here's a look at one of our new vehicles from our inventory. It comes equipped with
heated front seats,
Sync 4A with enhanced voice recognition,
sync communication system, Bang & Olufsen premium audio, heated rear seats, rain-sensitive windshield wipers, running board package, steering wheel controls, alloy wheels, auto high beam headlamp control.
Every vehicle is put through a rigorous inspection and reconditioning process by our highly trained technicians, using only certified OEM parts, guaranteeing you the highest quality vehicle possible. Livermore Ford Lincoln is your ideal destination for all of your automotive needs. Come visit us at 2266 Kittyhawk Rd in Livermore. Your next vehicle is waiting.